Alright folks, today I'm gonna show you a funny side dish. We are making tornado potatoes. It's time to grill. And all you need is this funny tool, the chips machine. You can buy this on Amazon. I bought it and I really enjoyed it. It's so much fun. So that's what you get. There's the tool for putting the potato in. There's a small manual on how to do this and some recipe idea. And then you have only some minutes you need to build this one. So that's basically the part where the potato comes in. And of course you have something to fix it on the table. It's a vacuum. And then you have a handle and a screw. And easiest thing is now putting this handle with the screw onto that tool. So I used my Victorinox tool. All the screwdrivers are in there. You can really build a house with only that tool from Victorinox if you're able to do so. So that's it. Just give it a turn and we're ready to see how this one works. So that's it. That's pretty easy. So now you can turn this one. There's something to remove the part, and then all you have to do is take a potato, and there's a small pin that comes with the inside the package, and all you have to do is press this through the potato, and then you have a small hole in your potato, and that's makes it much easier to put this one onto the tool. So press that thing, and now the potato comes in there like so. I'm just showing you before we're gonna put this together. And after the potato is in there, you have to take this piece and just put it like so through the hole we have already made in our potato. So really easy. Just ta-ta-ta-ta. That's it. Just put it through the potato again and make sure it's fixed in the left part of the machine. That's it. Now take the potato and stack it really hard. So now, as you can see here, by turning the handle, the potato starts turning. So now there's a peeler on the one side that removes the skin of the potato, which is really helpful. Sometimes it's not very helpful if the potato is not very is not a nice looking one, and if it's not has not the same size, you're gonna miss some of that skin. But I'm buying my potatoes from my local farmer, so I have no problem with eating these parts anyway. In the meantime, you are turning. It's also start cutting, and you now have a really nice cut potato on that stick. And all you have to do now is take the stick out and put this on a wooden skewer or metal skewer. Only thing is that it has to be longer than the stick, and you are now ready to open up the potato. Of course, I will try to put a link into the video description so you can check out the tool even from Amazon in Europe or everywhere you live. I will put the link into the video description, you could check it out. So basically it's the idea to get it on the wooden skewer so it first of all looks nice, but secondly it starts cooking better and you don't have some pre-cooked and some overcooked potato pieces. Even for cooking methods, there are several things possible. Of course, we're gonna throw this on the grill later on, but in the meantime, I've recorded the video and we are cutting this one. I made some research with that tool and I found out that making it in the microwave really leads to a nice result. So just to give it a quick wrap up here, peel the potato, put it in there, give it a turn, and it starts peeling and cutting. You can now see it in a close-up. It's really fun to do. It's really easy. You can do this with your children. My kids love doing this one. So once you're ready with that, take it out of the stick and put it on a wooden skewer. So in the meantime, as I mentioned, we also tried out several other veggies. This works of course with a lot of veggies. All the things that are long and have kind of an equal shape will work great here. Cucumber really looks amazing. The green one, you can do it with a lot of things. Now write it in the comment if you have any ideas, or what would you do with that one. Now we're gonna put this again also on the wooden skewer, and if it's completely equal and done on the wooden skewer, you need something to put the skewer on. So I decided to take a small baking thing here made of glass, and you can now lay it like so. If you put this on a small plate or a plancha or so, it might stick to the plate. That's not our goal. So these potatoes will look good if they are cooked like so. Of course, the third one, the third version on how to prepare these could be just fry it. Of course, frying always works, but I'm not too much into frying. Sometimes I do, I love frying, but for this day we're gonna see how the result is if we throw this one on the barbecue. So you can now season it. I used some pizza and pasta seasoning from my favorite online seasoning dealer, Spice Bar. I already made someone with barbecue seasoning or curry seasoning. And we're gonna throw this one on the grill, 180 degrees Celsius, approximately 360, 50 degrees Fahrenheit or so. And this is how the potato looks like after 35 till 40 minutes. So you can now decide whether you want a potato dish that is more like chips and crispy one, or if you want to have it a little bit more soft. These are a little bit more soft, but as I mentioned in the beginning, just higher the temperature and take some longer time, and you will be able to have some crispy tornado potatoes. So I hope you're gonna give this tool a shot. Let me know if you have tried it out or already made tornado potatoes. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I'm gonna give this a shot right now. We're seeing us again next Barbecue Thursday, 1700 Central European time. We're gonna have a lot of funny things coming up. I enjoy this so much. I hope you do the same. Thanks for watching. I'm out. See you.